As the clock stop ticks 2024 and ticks towards 2025, the new year brings a renewed sense of hope, joy, and connections. It is a perfect time to reach out to our loved ones near and far with heartfelt wishes that spread cheers and positivity. It is a time for rejoining the connections wherever it is broken. It is a time for corrections wherever it is required. It is a time for taking decision to consider other feelings and situations. It is a time for more near to the God, and it is a time for taking decision of forgiveness, kindness, and empathy in our life. On behalf of my family and the JD Business Group, I wish you a happy and prosperous new year to all our dears, friends, and clients. May this new year bring you a good health, happiness, endless love, and prosperity. God bless all of us, and I wish you a happy new year. Thank you.